Come check out this brand new 2024 270 Saxdor. Equipped with Mercury Twin 200 Verado outboards, this boat offers a stunning glass transom. Seating for 6 here in the cockpit, right at this beautiful teak table. It does fold down into a large sunbed. Up at the helm, beautiful Simrad display, bow thruster, windlass controls, and a beautiful helm wheel. Here's our walkthrough up to a nice cushioned bow. Large, expansive hardtop provides great coverage from the sun. Overnight accommodations for 2 with great amenities and a lot of natural light here. My name is Frank Konteski. This was our quick cut video of the Saxdor 270. See you out on the water.